Bullish Sushiswap cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $5.40 and $11.76 by 2030. Market experts accept sushi could reach $5.40 by 2025. Bearish Sushiswap market cost expectation for 2022 is 96 cents. Sushiswap presentation. Sushiswap is a decentralized trade based on Ethereum that permits clients to exchange ETH and ERC20 tokens. It was made by an unknown engineer known as Gourmet Specialist Nomi. The undertaking started as a fork of the famous Uniswap convention. Sushiswap utilizes a liquidity pool model in which clients can store tokens to procure exchanging expenses. It likewise boosts clients to give liquidity by giving them awards as sushi tokens. These tokens can be utilized to decide on administration choices or consumed for a portion of the stage's exchanging charges. The Sushiswap group has been censured for its absence of straightforwardness, as well as claims of insider exchanging and misappropriation. Nonetheless, the undertaking has kept on filling in prevalence and stays one of the top DES on Ethereum today. What is Sushiswap? Sushiswap is a decentralized trade on the Ethereum blockchain that permits clients to exchange ERC20 tokens. It was made in September 2020 by a mysterious engineer known as Cook Nomi, and later procured by FTX Trade. The vital component of Sushiswap is its utilization of the robotized market creator model, which permits it to give liquidity to its clients without the requirement for request books. This makes it a lot less difficult to use than conventional DEXs, which can require complex exchange orders and can be hard to explore. Sushiswap likewise offers a remarkable impetus structure for liquidity suppliers, who can procure sushi's the local badge of the stage, in return for giving liquidity. This gives a continuous income stream to LPs and assists with keeping the stage chugging along as expected. Sushiswap crucial examination. The Sushiswap convention utilizes a variation of the Dutch sale component to decide the cost of every token exchange. Sushiswap is based on the Ethereum blockchain and uses similar security components as other savvy contracts sent on Ethereum. These security components include cryptographic marks. Every exchange submitted to Sushiswap is endorsed by the source's confidential key. This mark can be confirmed by anybody utilizing the source's public key. Transaction expenses. All exchanges submitted to Sushiswap cause a charge, which is paid in ETH. These charges are utilized to pay for state changes made by the exchange, like refreshing equilibriums or adding new requests. Netting. Sushiswap uses an enhancement method called netting, which lessens the quantity of state changes expected for each exchange. This advancement helps keep exchange charges low and decreases clog on the Ethereum organization. Security. Notwithstanding its notoriety, there are a few worries about the security of Sushiswap. These worries originate from the way that Sushiswap is a moderately new undertaking and has not gone through as much examining and testing as a few different tasks in the space. Also, there have been a few occurrences of bugs and weaknesses being found in Sushiswap's brilliant agreement code. While these worries are substantial, it is vital to take note of that Sushiswap has done whatever it takes to work on the security of their foundation. For instance, they have carried out a bug abundance program to boost specialists to report any issues they find. Also, they have recruited a few legitimate inspecting firms to survey their code. As Sushiswap keeps on developing, almost certainly these security concerns will be alleviated. Sushiswap current cost. Sushiswap is presently worth $1.20 USD. Sushi has moved 1.77% as of now with an exchanging volume of $47,177,258. Sushiswap is presently positioned 141 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $151,858,898 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Sushiswap to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Sushiswap market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Sushiswap value expectation 2022. Sushiswap, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The sushi cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $1.80. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.68 in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Sushi is supposed to have a base worth of $1.44. Sushiswap value expectation 2023. In 2023, Sushiswap sushi cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of sushi will before long outperform $3. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the sushi's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, sushi will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.40 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.64. Sushiswap Value Expectation 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $4.20 and sushi might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Sushi is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.84 and a low of $3.60 in 2024. Sushiswap Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Sushiswap effectively helps market opinion among digital money fans, the sushi coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, sushi will be green in 2025. The sushi is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $5.40, with a base cost of $4.80 and a typical cost of $5.04. Sushiswap Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the sushi cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $6.24 by 2026, with a base cost of $6 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, sushi has a most extreme value worth of $6.60. Sushiswap Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $7.44. On the off chance that sushi figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $7.80. Neglecting to assemble the help sushi needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $7.20. Sushiswap Value Expectation 2028. While sushi is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $8.40 and a yearly cost close above $9 in 2028. Sushiswap Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Sushiswap will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $9.60 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $10.20, averaging out at $9.84. Sushiswap Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme sushi cost in 2030 is projected to be $11.